Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to forward voice message on WeChat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your mobile device. Select the chat from where you're forwarding the voice message. Long press the voice message that you want to forward. Tap on Select. You can now select all the voice messages that you want to forward at once by tapping on the circle to your left. Tap on the forward icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now you have two options whether to one by one forward or combine and forward. You can choose either one that you like. Select the chat that you're trying to forward the message to. Now all you have to do is tap on Send to successfully forward your voice message. And that's it. This is how you forward voice message on WeChat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.